Welcome to the Bloom Experience. Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Durr. I'm the owner of Seiromem Flowers and Design. We're introducing a new floral and lifestyle concept. Floral classes as well as activations like perfume making, candle making, things along that line, things for the girls. Come and join us. Welcome to the Bloom Experience.
Hi, I'm Tamala. I am the founder of Blended Notes. We are a mobile scent studio where we come to your event, whether it's a baby shower, wedding, bachelorette party, or just a girls' night out. We come, your guests get to create their own scent. We bottle it up and they take it with them.
Oh, yeah. This place will be something so adorable, like a private, intimate something with your girls, with your family, with your daughters even a spouse. It was super.
Not just straight at an angle, because that allows for more water to get. We can make it better, okay? So we can spin them. We can reflex as well.
Jessica, she's the best hostess. Flower making was very educational. My experience today was amazing.
It is very easy and I love the experience.
I had the best time.
We had an opportunity to put blooms together, so I had a great time.
This is the word. Look at this.
In fact, I'm already booking my Bloom Experience birthday party.
The Bloom Experience!